Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing with a drone, but it's not any ordinary drone. It's a drone that's controlled by motion. So let me show you. So I'm going to turn it on. Makes little lights when it turns on. And then after you turn it on, you throw it up. And it just starts flying. And there's little sensors on the side of it. So that makes you, you put your hand somewhere on one of the sensors. And it starts flying that way. So, I'm just gonna come back down. It just does this all the time for some reason. Alright, here we go. Now we just fly it. And sometimes if I put my hands on two sensors at the same time, it starts flying up in the air. But you like that? No, that's not happening. It's pretty loud, and it doesn't take. Well, it takes a little while for it to charge, like 30 minutes, and it runs out of battery pretty quick. And sometimes it just goes off where it wants to. Woo! Look, I'm not touching it. Oh, I want to touch it then. Watch, not touching it. Didn't do anything. And sometimes it hits the wall, and if it hits the wall, it goes down. So let me show you where the on and off button is. So it's a little tiny button right here on the other side of the charge thing. And you press the button, and then to turn it off, you hold the button until the lights go out. So just gonna play for it. It's a little more, and then. Remember, throw it up. Just fine. And you can put your hand underneath the thing so it goes up. And off the wall. And if you hit it, it falls down pretty hard, if you hit it pretty hard. So that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video, and make sure to like and sub. Bye!